Dementia affects over 55 million people worldwide, with a new case diagnosed every 3 seconds. By 2050, this number is projected to triple, posing a significant public health challenge. Alzheimer's disease accounts for 60 to 70% of cases, followed by vascular dementia. Early symptoms include memory loss, difficulty planning, and personality changes. Understanding these signs is crucial for timely intervention and prevention strategies. Dr. Lee's lab at Oxford University reveals how neuroplasticity, the brain's ability to rewire itself, can combat dementia. Advanced fMRI scans show that cognitive training strengthens synaptic connections in the hippocampus, the memory hub. Her team discovered that even in elderly subjects, 12 weeks of targeted exercises increased gray matter density by 2%. This challenges the myth that brain decline is inevitable with aging. While ApoE4 genes increase Alzheimer's risk by 12-fold, lifestyle factors determine 70% of dementia cases. A 34-year Oxford study found that identical twins with different habits develop dementia 17 years apart. Key modifiable risks include hypertension, 45% higher risk, smoking, 60% higher, and physical inactivity, 82% higher. This proves daily choices outweigh genetic predisposition in brain health. The MIND diet, a hybrid of Mediterranean and DASH diets, reduces dementia risk by 53%. Key components include leafy greens, serving day slows brain aging by 11 years, berries, flavonoids boost memory, and omega-3 rich fish. Twice weekly lowers amyloid plaques. Avoid processed meats containing nitrosamines, which trigger neuroinflammation. Turmeric's curcumin crosses the blood-brain barrier, reducing tau protein tangles by 30% in trials. And aerobic exercise increases BDNF, brain-derived neurotrophic factor, by 200%, stimulating neuron growth. A 2023 study showed seniors walking 8,000 steps a day had hippocampus volumes equivalent to people 3 years younger. High-intensity interval training, HIIT, outperforms moderate exercise, improving executive function 40% faster. Even chair yoga enhances cerebral blood flow, proving adaptability for all fitness levels. Bilingual adults develop dementia 5 years later than monolinguals. Playing musical instruments creates 35% more neural connections. The dual N-back game improves working memory by 19% in 20 days. However, passive activities like crossword puzzles show limited benefits. Instead, novel learning, like pottery classes for engineers, maximizes cognitive reserve by activating dormant brain regions. Loneliness increases dementia risk equivalent to smoking 15 cigarettes daily. Weekly book club participation lowers cognitive decline by 30% by stimulating theory of mind networks. Intergenerational interactions are particularly potent. Grandparents caring for grandchildren show 26% better verbal memory. Even pet ownership reduces stress hormones like cortisol by 32%, protecting the hippocampus. Chronic stress shrinks the prefrontal cortex by 8% annually in caregivers. Mindfulness meditation regrows gray matter in 8 weeks, per Harvard studies. Deep sleep clears beta amyloid toxins. Those getting less than 6 hours have 3 times higher dementia risk. The 4-7-8 breathing technique, inhale 4, hold 7s, exhale 8s, lowers stress biomarkers by 45% in clinical trials. AI now predicts Alzheimer's 10 years early via retinal scans, 94% accuracy. Blood tests detecting p-tau217 proteins identify at-risk individuals 15 years before symptoms. The FDA-approved Amivid PET scan visualizes amyloid plaques, while experimental nanosensors track inflammation in cerebrospinal fluid. These advances enable precision prevention tailored to individual biomarker profiles. Synthesizing the research. 1. Combine aerobic exercise with strength training 3 times per week. 2. Adopt a MIND diet with 6+ colorful veggies daily. 3. Learn a new language or instrument. 4. Cultivate 3+ meaningful social connections. 5. Prioritize 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep. 6. Get baseline cognitive testing at age 50. Remember, it's never too early or late to start protecting your brain.